Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to teach you the lesson paragraphs. These are the objectives of my lesson: to improve knowledge regarding paragraph, to make aware students about paragraph writing. Move to slide 4. A paragraph is a group of sentences about one main idea. Having paragraphs in a descriptions make it easier for the reader to follow. And also, we often start a new paragraph in a description when the place changes. In this lesson, I consider about the adverbs of the place which give answers for where actions take place. Now move to slide 5. Here I am going to talk on paragraph structure. First is point. That means make a point that is linked to the question with the topic sentence. Next is explain. Explain your point and make this relevant to the question. Then evidences. Provide examples to prove your point. The last is link your information back to the question with a concluding sentence. I would like to explain further. A basic paragraph structure usually consists of 5 sentences. The topic sentence, 3 supporting sentences, and a concluding sentence. But the secrets to the paragraph writing lay in 4 essential elements, which when used correctly can make a okay paragraph into a great paragraph. Now move to slide 7. Read the given paragraph. There are 4 paragraphs in this. Read the first paragraph and answer these questions. Where is Treasure Seeker? Where are Captain Black and Smithy? There are 4 questions altogether. Now you can answer the questions given in Nelson Grammar 4 in page number 42.
Listen to the paragraph and answer the questions. These days, a green building means more than just the color of the paint. It means an environmentally friendly house, factory or office. It is built on a previously developed land so that no forest is destroyed. It is also located to a public transport system so that people do not have to use their cars, which give out smoke and pollute the environment. Very little electricity and water is used in a green building. The sun's rays are used to change solar panels which provide electricity to the building. When people leave a room, the light automatically switches off. The building has a lot of windows. This allows people to use the sun's light during the daytime. In a green building, water is recycled. The water from the shower is recycled and used for other purposes. We can make our own house a green building if we care about our environment. The first question is, what does a green building mean these days? What does a green building mean these days? These days, a green building means more than just the color of the paint. It means what? An environmentally friendly house, factory or office. Second, where is a green building built on? Where? We have to find the answer, the question word where. It is built on a previously developed land so that no forest is destroyed. It is built on a previously developed land. Third, what happens when people leave a room in a green building? See, what happens? When people leave a room, the light automatically switches off. What happens? The light automatically switches off. Fourth, what is the purpose of having a lot of windows in a green building? What is the purpose? The building has a lot of windows. This allows people to use the sun's light during the daytime. What is the purpose? This allows to use the sun's light during the daytime. The last is, what is recycled in a green building? What? What is recycled? In a green building, what is recycled? What is recycled? Water. Thank you.
The last is a sample of paragraph about chimps. Read this and answer the questions. Thank you. Have a good day. Stay safe.